Hey guys, all right, day 7 and the tile is up. I love the way the trim came out on the niche. So remember, here we're gonna have a glass shelf. Yeah. So tomorrow he's gonna grout. I love the way this is called Jolly Stone. I love the way it came out. And then because we don't have a standard bath, he did this little ledge, which serves as a little shelf to put candles. That's where I usually put my candles when I take a bubble bath. So yeah, and I love the way everything came out. Very pretty. So yeah, my husband, this was not my first choice. I wanted larger, like the subway tile we had, but larger, and the one that's kind of like uneven. And I wanted it like in a aqua blue greenish color. He said, no, that's too much color. Then I said, okay, let's go for like the Moroccan themed tile that goes it's like this and it goes down, right? He's like, no, because then that's gonna cost us too much money to install because it's little pieces. So he's like, we need to look for 12 by 24. And then he looks at it, he's like, this looks like a mental asylum. Great. So, but whatever, I like it. It's neutral, it's white, it's fine. It's a guest bathroom. So yeah. And then the wall color is going to be a little lighter, maybe too light, but we'll see. It's always paint. It's only paint, so we can paint over it. So yeah, tomorrow he's going to apply the grout, and then sand down all these walls to get rid of that like residue from the humidity. So yeah, that's it. That's the update. Hi guys. Okay, so day 8. The tile work is done and I love how it came out. The grout was put in, all the caulking around the bathtub, these 2 pieces of travertine. That's what we have as, I don't know what you call this, the border, but yeah, loving. I love how the niche came out, everything. I really like the way this gentleman worked. And even the those little trim pieces that we found, it's called Jolly Stone. I love it. No longer looks like a hospital. With color and everything, it'll change. It's nice, clean, easy to clean, not a lot of grout lines, which is what I wanted. Now, the paint color though is another issue. Oh, this is supposed to be everyday white. It looks like, let me see if I can. It's not what we wanted. It's not, it looks pink. It looks like baby pink. It's too cool. Yeah. It's way too cool. If I compare it to, yeah, it's just, yeah, no, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. So this is only 1 coat. So we went ahead, oh, and he also painted the ceiling. The ceiling is extra white. I like the way it just blends in with the tile. And so we picked Sharon Williams So this is everyday white, which, yeah, it's too cool. It has like a pinkish hue to it. So my husband's picking up natural linen, which is a shade lighter than, a shade or two lighter than what we had before, which was Killam beige. Just a little lighter. The undertone's yellow, it's not orangey, so it's not gonna go too warm on you. It should be a really true neutral. All right, guys, so that he'll paint tomorrow. Okay, all right, guys, so this is the update. See you later.